Okay, this will be a video explaining the article review process that you'll be doing each week, starting with the first article review number 1 being due on September 9th. You'll have 2 weeks to work on the first one. Then after that, the article reviews will be due every Friday, with some exceptions, and I'll get into that in just a moment. I'm looking at the document that I posted with this video. That's the article review document. It's a Word doc. There, it's pretty much what's in the syllabus with a few things added in. With this, each week you will be assigned an article or a video or something like that I want you to go in and read or watch, and then assess that marketing video or article. And this assessment is just consists of your opinion with support with that. There are 2 things that you'll do with this assessment. The first one is in Blackboard, on the left-hand menu, there is an item called Discussion. That's where you'll find the title of the article, the link that will take you to that article or video, and it also lists the deadline or the date that this is due. In the week that you have to assess this article, I would like for you early on in the week, that's my desire, it's not a requirement, but early on in the week to go to that discussion menu item, find the article, read it, and then discuss on the discussion board, offer some comments on what you think about the article, whether you like it or you don't, or were you confused about something, maybe ask questions, that kind of thing. But put at least 2 meaningful comments there on the discussion board, and that's for each and every student. Then the second part to assessing it will be for you to write a Word document or create a Word document that's a memo to me from you, and then the body of the memo will be your assessment that you will be turning in to me of that article. The memo, the article review memo I have here, needs to identify the student, indicate the title of the article and the publication, so I'll know which one you're assessing, and then present the nature of the article, a quick little summary, and then your opinion of the appropriateness of the article. Do you agree with it? Do you disagree? Were there parts that you were surprised about, or parts that you were able to apply at work, or these kinds of things? I want to know your personal assessment of the article. With this memo, I would like for you to keep it in a memo form, so nothing lengthy, 1 page, 2 at most, of the memo, and then you'll submit that through the assignments menu item, the assignments menu item. You'll deliver those to me just like you would the book reviews, or just like you will the book reviews. There'll be a place there for you to submit the article memos to me through Blackboard. And those are due by noon every Friday, starting September 9th, and that is 12 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time here in the United States. And with that submission, if we start having issues with submitting things through Blackboard, with you all submitting it through that, I will not be using SafeAssign, I don't think, with that, but it'll be one where you will submit through Blackboard. If we have an issue with that, then we'll just go to submitting it to my email address. But for right now, we'll go with you submitting it through the assignments menu item there. There'll be a folder set up that says article review folder, and in there will be the Word document explaining the article reviews, where this video was found, and then where you'll turn in each one of the article assignments. You can only turn in the articles during the week that they've been assigned, so you can't go ahead, even though you may see some online for weeks to come, because I'll be putting up there ahead of time. Even though you see those, you can only submit, have access to the discussion boards during that week that it's due, and and you can only submit article reviews, your Word document, your memo, during that week with that. And then when we get to the book reviews, your first book review is a written document, and you submit it. There'll be a folder in the assignments menu item for that. But then with book reviews number 2 and 3, I've changed those to be video book reviews. I have a video out there of that change that was made in the syllabus. But with that, the week after you submit, the deadline for book review number 2, which is Monday, October the 31st. The book reviews are due on the end of the month, no matter when that is. So book review number 1 is the last day of September. Book review number 2 is the last day of October, and book review number 3 is the last day of November. So the book reviews are due on the last day of the months of September, October, November, and the article reviews are due every Friday, starting on September 9th. So the weeks following book review number 2 due date of October 31st and book review 3 due date of November 30th, those following weeks you will review the videos turned in by your fellow students. So you'll get access to critiques of the books that you did not read. You'll select one from a list of 4 for book review number 2, and the same thing with book review number 3. So there's 8 books there, but you're only reviewing 2, out of that list. And so you'll get access to those other 6 that you didn't get a chance to read, plus those that you did read. You'll see some video reviews of that. You will not review your own, and I will ask for you to, again, not do a discussion board, but submit a memo with your assessment of the videos that you just watched for that week. And no one but myself will see your exact wording, your name associated with a critique, that sort of thing. So it'll be anonymous to your classmates, but I'll use that to kind of help me assess book reviews 2 and 3. And so those article reviews that will be due November 4th, and the final exam, which is December 8th, those will be actually you watching the book review videos. And just as I stated, book review number 3, when you watch those videos, and you're going to do your article review and turn it in on December 8th, that is the final exam. That article review will serve, this article review number 10 will serve as your final exam. I hope this helps, this and the Word document, on what's expected of you when writing these reviews, both article and book reviews, but this video mainly covering the article reviews. If you have any questions, use the contact information to let me know what those questions are, and we'll see if we can clarify any issues that you may have.